When installing Metrie Complete around windows and doors, you will be faced with a miter joint. Metrie offers several products that can be used to fill this joint. If the joint is very tight with no real gap between the two pieces of trim, you can use the Metrie Complete wax fill stick to fill the joint. Simply apply the wax stick into the joint. And then smooth over with the buffing pad. If there's a bit of a gap between the two pieces of trim, you can use either the Metrie Complete putty or caulking to fill the joint. To fill with the putty, using your fingers or scraper card, remove the putty from the jar. Always make sure your fingers or scraper card are clean as to not discolor the putty. Apply the putty into the joint. And then smooth over with the scraper card. After approximately 15 minutes, you can come back and remove the excess with a clean, damp rag. You can also use the Metrie Complete caulking to fill your miter joints. Be sure to smooth over the caulking and allow it to dry for 2 hours. So it's been 15 minutes and I've removed the excess putty using a clean, damp rag. If needed, any miter joints can be painted over using the Metrie Complete touch-up spray enamel to ensure a consistent color blend to the face of the trim. To apply, cover the wall with a piece of cardboard and hold the can approximately 12 inches from the trim and apply thin coats in a sweeping motion to ensure color blend to the trim. When using any Metrie Complete accessory solutions, it's important to remember that you're working with a finished product. Be sure to use them later in the build cycle when the site is relatively clean, and that any hands or tools that are being used to apply them are also clean as to not discolor the accessory product.